Hi, Alex. How's everything going?
Hi, Dad. Everything's been great. I have wanted to talk to you about something important.
Oh, what's on your mind?
It's about Tina. I have been meaning to tell you more about her. I have already mentioned her a few times, but I think it's important for you to know more.
I see. I have heard a lot about Tina, but I have not met her yet. What should I know?
Well, I have been with Tina for quite a while now, and I have learned a lot about her. She has been a really positive influence in my life.
That's good to hear. What can you tell me about her character?
I have noticed that Tina has always been very supportive of me. She has helped me through tough times, and she has been incredibly understanding.
That's a great quality. Have you both faced any challenges together?
Yes, we have faced a few challenges. However, Tina has handled everything with maturity and patience. She has shown me that she is reliable and caring.
That's reassuring. How has she been with your friends and family?
Tina has met my friends and family, and she has been respectful and kind to everyone. She has already made a positive impression on them.
Have you seen any changes in yourself since you have been with Tina?
Absolutely. I have felt more confident and happier. Tina has encouraged me to pursue my goals, and I have noticed that I have become more focused.
It sounds like Tina has had a significant impact on you. What about her family? How have they been?
I have met Tina's family several times. They have welcomed me warmly, and I have found them to be genuine and kind. I believe they have raised Tina with strong values.
That's good to know. How does Tina handle conflicts or disagreements?
Tina has always approached conflicts with an open mind. She has shown that she is willing to listen and work things out rather than arguing. I have appreciated her calm approach.
Have there been any significant moments or events that have stood out in your relationship?
There have been several. For instance, Tina has organized surprise dates and special gestures that have meant a lot to me. She has shown that she cares through her actions.
That sounds wonderful. How do you see the future with Tina?
I have thought a lot about our future together. I believe that Tina and I have built a strong foundation, and we have both been committed to growing together. I have felt that our relationship has strengthened over time.
How has Tina contributed to your personal growth?
Tina has encouraged me to step out of my comfort zone. She has supported me in pursuing my passions and has always believed in my potential. I have grown as a person because of her support.
It's clear that Tina has been a positive influence. Have there been any moments where you have felt particularly grateful for her presence in your life?
Yes, there have been many moments. For instance, when I have faced difficult situations, Tina has been there to provide comfort and encouragement. I have felt incredibly grateful for her unwavering support.
I'm glad to hear that. How have you and Tina managed to maintain a healthy relationship?
We have both made an effort to communicate openly and honestly. Tina has always been transparent about her feelings, and we have worked together to address any issues that arise. I have seen how important communication has been for us.
Have you noticed any other qualities in Tina that stand out to you?
Tina has been incredibly thoughtful. She has always remembered important dates and has surprised me with thoughtful gifts. I have seen how much she values the little things in our relationship.
It sounds like Tina has made a significant impact on your life. How do you plan to continue building your relationship?
I have already planned to continue nurturing our relationship by spending quality time together and supporting each other's goals. I believe that by maintaining our commitment, we can continue to grow stronger as a couple.
I appreciate you sharing all this with me, Alex. It's clear that Tina has been an important part of your life. How have your friends reacted to Tina?
My friends have been supportive and have welcomed Tina into our circle. They have seen how happy she makes me, and they have been positive about our relationship.
It seems like Tina has made a good impression on everyone. How do you handle any disagreements or differences of opinion with Tina?
We have learned to address disagreements constructively. Tina and I have always tried to understand each other's perspectives and find common ground. I have found that this approach has strengthened our bond.
How do you think Tina's presence has influenced your goals and ambitions?
Tina has inspired me to aim higher and pursue my dreams. Her encouragement has motivated me to take on new challenges and stay focused on my goals. I have seen how her belief in me has driven me to achieve more.
It's wonderful to hear that Tina has been such a positive influence. How do you balance your time between Tina and other commitments?
I have made a conscious effort to balance my time. Tina and I have found ways to support each other's schedules and commitments. I have learned that managing time effectively has helped us maintain a healthy relationship.
How has Tina handled the responsibilities and commitments in her own life?
Tina has managed her responsibilities with great diligence. She has been dedicated to her work and personal goals, and I have admired her ability to balance everything. I have seen how her responsibility has positively impacted our relationship.
How has your relationship with Tina affected your overall well-being?
My well-being has definitely improved. Tina has brought a sense of joy and stability into my life. Her presence has made me feel more fulfilled and content, and I have noticed a positive change in my overall outlook.
It sounds like Tina has been a wonderful partner for you. How have you both worked together to overcome any obstacles?
We have faced obstacles as a team. Tina and I have always supported each other and approached challenges with a problem-solving mindset. I have seen how our teamwork has helped us overcome difficulties.
How do you plan to ensure that your relationship with Tina continues to thrive?
I have planned to keep investing in our relationship by maintaining open communication and showing appreciation for each other. I believe that our commitment to each other will help us continue to grow together.
I'm glad to hear that you're both committed to making your relationship work. Have you both discussed any future plans together?
Alex. Yes, we have talked about our future and shared our aspirations. We have both been excited about the possibilities and have made plans to support each other's dreams. I have seen how our shared vision has strengthened our relationship.
It's clear that Tina has been a positive force in your life. How do you see your relationship evolving over time?
I have envisioned our relationship growing stronger as we continue to build a life together. Tina and I have both been dedicated to nurturing our bond and supporting each other's growth. I have felt that our future together holds many possibilities.
I appreciate you sharing all this with me, Alex. It sounds like Tina has been a wonderful partner for you. I'm glad to see how much she means to you.
Thanks, Dad. I really appreciate your understanding and support. Tina has been an important part of my life, and I am grateful for everything she has brought into it.
You're welcome, Alex. It's important to me that you're happy and fulfilled. I'm glad you have found someone who has had such a positive impact on your life.
Thanks, Dad. I have been lucky to have Tina in my life, and I have seen how much she has contributed to my happiness and growth. I am excited about the future we will build together.
It sounds like you've made a great choice. I'm glad to see you so happy. I look forward to getting to know Tina better and seeing where your relationship goes.
Thanks, Dad. I'm looking forward to that too.
I'm sure it will be wonderful. If there's anything else you want to talk about or any other questions you have, just let me know.
Will do, Dad. I appreciate you taking the time to listen and understand. It means a lot to me.
Anytime, Alex. I'm always here for you. It's great to see how much thought and care you have put into your relationship with Tina.
Thanks, Dad. I have been really happy with Tina, and I'm glad I could share that with you.
I'm glad too. Take care, and I will look forward to meeting Tina soon.
You too, Dad. I will see you soon.